Our first step is to open our planes of reference that we have already drawn. So File, Open, find the planes of reference that you've drawn already. Now what we'll do is we'll go to File, and we'll rename it File, Save As, and we'll call it Orthographic Projection. By going for Save As, we keep our planes of reference so that we can use it for any other time, but we create a new file for our orthographic. Now that that's done, what we'll do is we'll select the top plane and we'll insert a plane. So insert reference geometry and plane. Select the surface that we want to plane. We put a distance of 80 millimeters above this. This will be our XY plane for our model to sit on. So we'll just click on plane 1, F2, and we rename it XY. Now what we'll do next is we select the XY plane and we look normal to it. We'll start to draw our model by going Sketch and a rectangle, and we'll just draw a rectangle above the origin, and we just knock off rectangle. We'll just hit Escape, select the baseline, right click, select the midpoint, hold down Control and select the origin. And then what we can do is we can make them coincident. Then we'll smart dimension our rectangle to be 50 by 80. And once that's done, we are ready to do an extrude. So we'll go Features, Extrude at boss base, and we extrude it up 10 millimeters in a blind condition. Now, our next step then is to draw the rest of the model. So we select the back surface of our box and we look normal to it. Now, we'll rotate that around, pressing normal to again, and then we pick Sketch. And we draw the shape up here using the line command. And then we smart dimension it. 20, 50, and 50. Then we go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and we extrude it 10. Now to reverse the direction, just press the button there for reverse direction, and there we have our model drawn. Now our next step is to project it onto the image of the model onto each of the planes of reference. So what we do first is we go Sketch, Sketch, select the surface that we want to draw on, then select the surface that we want to project, and then we go to Tools, Sketch Tools, and Convert Entity. And there it projects it onto the surface, and then we just go Features, Extrude, Boss Base, and we extrude it out 0.2 or 0.3 millimeters, and we knock off Merge Result. Tick OK, and there you can see the shape but done. Repeat the same, Sketch, Sketch, select the surface you want to project onto, Insert, Tools, Sketch Tools, and Convert Entities. And there is the profile of it drawn. Features, Extrude Boss Base, the same distance again, but knock off Merge Result, otherwise it joins it up, and there you have it done. We repeat the same, so select the surface you want to project, the surface you want to project, then Tools, Convert to Entities, Features, and Extrude it the exact same way again, making sure to knock off Merge Result. Select the surface you want to draw on, Sketch, Sketch, surface you want to draw on, then the surface you want to project, Tools, Sketch Tools, and Convert Entities. And then just extrude it out. Same for the bottom of model, Sketch, Sketch, surface you want to draw on, project, surface you want to project, Tools, Sketch Tools, and Convert Entities. Then extrude it and tick it. Now you repeat the same for the other two remaining surfaces. So Sketch, Sketch, select the surface you want to draw on, surface you want to project, Tools, Sketch Tools, and Convert Entities. Then extrude it. Again, remembering to knock off Merge Result. Otherwise, what that does is it joins up the two extrudes and you won't have a line of definition between the surfaces. Now there you have it projected. Our next step is to colour it in. So select one surface, Control, and all the surfaces that you want to be the same. Remembering that to hold down Control. And then right click over one of the surfaces, Faces Appearance, and Colour. And then what you can do is you can pick the colour. If you've forgotten one face, just right click and you can add it in. So the same again. Select the first surface, Control, and just select them all then. Remembering that you have to colour, pick your colour. I'm after forgetting a face there, so we just turn it around and we can pick the back face and add it in. And you can then change the colour of that to whatever you want. And there you can see it. Now we do the same for the plan. Remembering to hold Control, right click on them, Surface, Faces and Appearance. For the last two remaining surfaces, Control, and you can then select the other one. And make this one red. Now you have your model drawn. And then you can tick OK. Now, what we'll do is we'll look at it in 3D. And there you have your orthographic projection model. If you come down here to where it says isometric, you can scroll down to where it says front, and down there is a 4 view. And what it does is it gives you the plan elevation and end view. And what you can do is if you zoom in on one, since they're all linked, they all zoom in on each other. So you can change them around, which can be very handy. And then to go back, it's just click and single view. And then we'll save it.